Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. If you're a mom like me, you're always on the lookout for a good kids multivitamin. I had been wanting to try the MaryRuth Kids multivitamin for a really long time. And so I got this 2-pack, which I am really happy about. These are sugar-free, so you don't have to worry about your kiddos chewing sugary gummy bears or whatever, and getting some vitamins but also getting some cavities. These are the papaya and strawberry, and let me just tell you, my kiddo loves them. Now, even though they are sugar-free, they use xylitol and erythritol in them, so they still have a wonderful flavor. I don't mind if I do. And he loves them. I never have to tell him to go and take his vitamins. He goes over and he gets them all on his own. Now, they are little gummy bears, as you can see here. So it's kind of fun and it's good for them. If you're looking for a wonderful multivitamin for your kiddo, I definitely would recommend MaryRuth's. And that's my point of view.